So here is this app, Vixer, video editor and maker. So let's just install it. Real slideshow music speed. So edit and mix videos easily with just a few taps. Merge multiple clips, live videos and photos to one movie. You can adjust your videos with stream speed, crop text, filters, music, voiceover, adjust frames, and then just share them to TikTok, Instagram stories, WhatsApp, iMessage, Instagram, Snapchat. So yeah, pretty cool. So you just open it up. It's this app went quite viral during these holidays. So there is 3 days free trial, there is yearly plan, or there is monthly plan. And then just tap new project, for example. One video selected. For example, I just created some video. All right, so then I can just select this. I can select some stock. So then here I can just, what I do, I can trim it similar as I can change speed, crop, I can change audio, I can add some text, adjust, like automatically adjust exposure, contrast, shadow, saturation, change the frame of it. So yeah, kind of similar to InShot video app, and then I can just share it in different resolutions, and I can instantly just share it to Reels, to Instagram story, TikTok, Snapchat. So very easy to share, so very nicely designed. So yeah, if you're looking for a video editing app where you can just have these features, and the app is just really easy to use, so